Hi guys, for today we're gonna create a toasted chicken siopao using Pillsbury big biscuits and with our chicken adobo, okay? What we will do is create or get the chicken adobo and put it on the flattened Pillsbury biscuit, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Just put an ample amount of chicken adobo so that you can wrap it up. You can start with on the end size or the edges and gently close it out and going to the middle. Alright? Make sure that you will be able to close it out. So if sobrang dami, try nyo bawasan yung laman. Okay? If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you are updated on new videos or live stream and whatnot. So yon, gawin lang rin natin sa other remaining 3 so that we can use it on our toasted chicken siopao, chicken adobo siopao. Then we can put them on the baking tray. Okay, ilagay lang natin isa-isa. Yan. For this one, we have 4 pieces. And then, bake lang natin for 30 to 45 minutes depending kung gaano katusta or katoasted nyo gusto ang inyong chicken siopao. Okay, so yon ang ating toasted chicken siopao. Okay, sana nagustuhan nyo. You can create your own and comment on the section below kung nakagawa din kayo ng sarili nyong chicken adobo siopao. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.